life vlog. It is actually Tuesday, so I'm starting this on Tuesday because honestly, yesterday I was in a really bad mood and didn't feel like filming at all, and also like, I didn't feel like filming and I didn't really do anything, honestly. I sat on the couch a lot of the day yesterday because I was so unmotivated. Again, I think I'm PMSing, and so like it's coming. It has to come soon because I'm over all these symptoms. But yeah, so it's Tuesday now and I'm feeling way better today, feeling motivated, and it's just, I woke up, the sun was out. Like yesterday I woke up and it was like a dreary day. I mean, the sun did eventually come out, but whatever. Yeah, sometimes you just have those moods, and I just like, I'm not vlogging because, yeah, what's the point? So, anywho, it's Tuesday. Getting some stuff done today. I have some editing I need to get done. I shot a maternity shoot on Sunday. I feel like this is super dirty. Yeah, and so I shot a maternity shoot on Sunday, and that was so much fun. And so I want to finish editing that. And yeah, I got together some of my welcome gifts for my brides, so I need to take those to the UPS store and ship those out. So yeah, I'm feeling good today so far. Let's hope it stays that way. I again am wearing this Lululemon scuba quarter zip, and it's literally my life. I'm like so obsessed with this thing. And these leggings are Airy. The what are they called? I don't know, but they're so freaking soft. I love them. So yeah, and say hi to your girls. Hi, Papa. As you saw too, this morning I like went and got coffee and stuff, and like some days though, like doing those little coffee runs in the morning just like get me going. So feeling good with that, feeling energized. But yeah, so I'm gonna start getting some stuff done, run to the UPS store. Happy Tuesday. Okay guys, a little bit later, I went to the post office and stuff. Yeah, just I finished actually editing and didn't do a montage of it, so love that. But I also finished the stain on the stairs, so I will show you guys that when it is like totally dry and everything. It looks so good. I'm so happy with it. So, little update, I put self tanner on yesterday too, so my hands are like all crazy, and yeah, I don't even know, but it is what it is. So, making lunch right now. It is 2:30, and then I have a phone call with a bride at 3 o'clock. So yeah, nothing crazy happening today. It is a beautiful day. Well, it's sunny, but it's also like freezing, so it's not, it's so like so deceiving when the sun is out in the wintertime, because you're like, oh, it's a beautiful day, and you go outside and you're like, oh my god, it's freaking cold. So don't love that, but I'm gonna eat my lunch, pay some bills. We got our bills in the mail, love that. And yeah, I'll probably watch Criminal Minds. I'm gonna turn on Criminal Minds while I eat my lunch. So say hi. Oh, you're going to give the camera a kiss. Oh, that's so nice.
I promise you, efficient and...
Good morning. It is Wednesday morning now. Sorry, I didn't really vlog yesterday. I just did a whole lot of nothing. And when I was doing something, I forgot to montage it. So I was a little bit productive. But I just like don't have much going on since it's my off season with weddings right now. But and my face is breaking out so bad. It's disgusting. So anyway, I'm about to run to Ace Hardware because I need to get the top coat for the stain, because I had some, but it is like weird and I'm not gonna use it. So I don't know what happened there, but so I need to go get some new stuff of that, and then I'm probably gonna stop and get another coffee because it was just so like, I just love iced vanilla lattes. So gotta get that again today, and I'll probably make breakfast here at home. But yeah, and then I do have to edit a wedding video today, so I'll remember to montage it, I promise. And I have to record the podcast, and yeah. So, and then we're going to trivia night again tonight like we did last week. And we have some help coming this week, so hopefully we do better than last place. But yeah, so that's the lowdown for today. My hair is getting so long. I go in a couple weeks to get it done, and I think I'm gonna I'm not gonna like cut it, but I definitely need to trim. So can't wait to get these roots filled. But yeah, okay, let's get this day started. Went to Ace, got my latte, and now I'm about to plug in and get some work done and do some emails first before I start editing. So, yay! Alright, gonna make some ground turkey for lunch. About to put that on the stove, and then I got some rice with that. And then I'll probably have some of these strawberries and raspberries too. Yay! Oh, and then we just got these AHA drinks, the strawberry and cucumber kind, and they are so good. Honestly, you can't really taste the cucumber, but strawberry's pretty good. Alright, I gotta go let Kelly in. You! You're a nugget, huh? You're a little nugget. Okay, mommy needs to wipe off your paws, please. Okay, it is a little bit later and I'm about to head out to my lash appointment. Thank freaking goodness. Babies need a little refill, so going to do that, and then I will be heading to the brewery for trivia night. So I'm excited. Oh, I'm just hoping we really don't get last place today, but we'll see what happens. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. It's now Thursday, and I have good news. As you saw, I don't know if you were paying attention, but we came in 3rd place in trivia last night in the first round, and that was so exciting. So we're making our way back up, but even though the second round we came into second to last, but we're not gonna talk about it because the first round was great. So anywho, I am actually to go to Columbus today to see some friends, and I'm super pumped because it's actually a couple of my brides, so it'll be so fun seeing them. I'm just excited to see them. It'll be fun. It'll be nice, like, to just drive and listen to some podcasts and stuff. Speaking of, my 3rd episode goes live today, so I always set them to go live at noon on Thursdays. So yeah, also this face situation, not having it. My lashes look good though, so that's good. I need to brush them out. Brush them out like every morning, and then like midday if they look like they need a little brushing, and then I'll do right before bed too. She gave me this really cute brush. Like, how freaking cute is that? And then it like comes in that. I love a set of fresh full lashes. Cool. And then she didn't have time for my eyebrows, so I'm gonna go back next week to get a good old eyebrow wax, and next week is my best friend's bachelor party, so I'm gonna be like ready to go. And I'm so pumped for that. So yeah, about to leave and drive down to Columbus, and probably just do some montage clips from there. And yeah, hi Bubba, you always want to be the star of the show. Alright guys, it's a little bit, actually it's a lot later. It's like 5 o'clock now and I'm home. I just got home, so the girls are so excited still. My mommy's finally home. Oh goodness, I know. So I went to Ikea, got a few things and I'm gonna show you. Did baby like this stuff? So I got this cute little throw blanket. Honey, that's not for babies. So I'm gonna put this in our bedroom because I got a new like duvet comforter too. So I just got the, whatever pronunciation that is. That's the one I got. And I'm just gonna, I already have the duvet. Hey, no. So I'm gonna use this throw blanket over that. And I got these pillowcases for like my just throw pillows on the bed. And then I also got these ones, these just like simple neutral color, these neutral color ones for the couch down here in the living room. And then, oh my gosh, this was so cute. It's a little like basket and it can hang. So I think I'm gonna put it on our little like wall over there with the hooks. I think that'd be so stinking cute. Put my little plants in there. Like, how freaking cute is that? And then I got these curtains that I'm gonna put here. They're the ones with like the cute little holes in them and stuff. So yeah, that's what I got. Oh, and I got this little pot holder for my plant. Isn't that cute? I almost bought a plant with it, but I have so many plants here at home already. I was like, Jesse's gonna kill me if I bring any more plants home. So that's the deal. That's the IKEA little mini haul. I'm really excited about this. This is so cute. And I think it'll look really good with this. They kind of look like a different color on camera, but they're pretty similar. So I think that'll be really cute. So I'm gonna go put this, well, I'm gonna wash the comforter first and then put it on our bed and hang up these curtains, put the pillowcases on the pillows, stuff like that. Feed the girls. It's almost dinner time. It for the vlog for this week. It's Friday. I have to go do a mentor session and I'm super pumped because it's sunny outside, so it'll be beautiful for our photo shoot. And yeah, I love doing mentor sessions. If you're a photographer, I do offer them, so go ahead and email me if you're interested. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next week.